Meghan Markle. Before Prince Harry, in her own, written, words. Episode 1. Food. Travel. Living. Fashion. Beauty. Influencers. Several years ago I had a sip of wine called Tignanello, pronounced Tigna-Nello. But let's be real, in the States most people said Tigna-Nello, or just plain old Tig. The Italiano of it all gets a little tricky, so the bartender kept it simple. It was a glass of Tig, so there I am, with very minimal wine knowledge, and I take a sip of this wine. It wasn't just red or white. Suddenly I understood what people meant by the body, legs, structure of wine. It was an aha moment at its finest. For me, it became a Tig moment, a moment of getting it. From that point on, any new awareness, any new discovery or "oh, I get it" moment was a Tig moment. At New York Fashion Week, understanding that clothes aren't just pieces of fabric, but that they can be art. So Tig. Traveling off the beaten track and hand diving for sea urchin in Jamaica, understanding that travel is adventure and discovery, culture, and surprise. A Tig moment, indeed. And the same could be said for my love of cooking and dining, for cultivating friendships that inspire you, for the idea of beauty and what that means to us. An understanding that comes with living your life to the fullest, so that it bursts at the seams. An unbridled joy. An insatiable curiosity. That's what Tig means to me. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. I could not be more grateful for your support and companionship on this beautifully wild ride. XXMM. The Tig is a hub for the discerning palate, those with a hunger for food, travel, fashion and beauty. Founded by Meghan Markle, a Los Angeles native with a love of farm-to-table dining, off-the-beaten-path travel, style and timeless allure. She also stars as Rachel Zane on the hit series Suits, now in its 5th season. Meghan created a space to share all of these loves, to invite friends to share theirs as well, and to be the breeding ground for ideas and excitement, for an inspired lifestyle. Photo by Jake Rosenberg. Stay tuned for more. Meghan Markle. Before Prince Harry, in her own, written, words. If you liked this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.